Can insulin be left out of the fridge for 2 hours?
Most in-use insulins can safely sit at room temperature for a short time, so leaving insulin out for 2 hours is generally fine. Unopened vials and cartridges should stay refrigerated until first use. Many rapid and long-acting insulins are stable at about 25 to 30 degrees Celsius for around 28 days once in use, but check your product label. Avoid heat above about 30 to 37 degrees Celsius, freezing, direct sun, or visible changes. If you suspect heat or freeze damage, replace or ask your pharmacist.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.